routine basis only. The third thing, when you all are joining, then we share with you the notes, study resources, notes. Every student are share the same notes, whether you are IFRS, whether you are SBR student, whether you are any student, सबको same notes दिया जा रहा है. किसी को अलग अलग हम नहीं देते. सिलेबस सेम है तो हम अलग अलग क्या दें? Same notes. So suppose IFRS students are given notes of FR and IFRS students are given notes of SBR. Now if you go in FR, these are all very detailed files. These are size of the total files are greater than 25 MB. So I cannot mail you these files in a separate mail. They are all given you as a Google Drive link. Somebody will say that, sir, I have not received. Don't take tension. I will give you Google Drive link to all of you after the class again. You don't have to take tension. Whether you received earlier or not, doesn't matter. I will give you today again this Word file. But here there are so many notes. I am not going to use these notes all in the class. Somebody will say BPP, somebody will say Kaplan, this, that. आपको जो पढ़ना है पढ़िए, यहाँ सब कुछ है. BPP भी है, Kaplan भी है. For IFRS students, the IFRS exam kit which is relevant in June 2023 exam, the IFRS study text, the IFRS study text, this one is study text. What is the difference between study text? In exam kit only questions and solutions are there. But in study text, the thorough knowledge, the entire chapter is written with explanation and then the question and answer are there. I will not be using these IFRS exam kit and study text in the class. I will not be using in the entire batch. But if any IFRS student want to use that, you can. There is no problem. You can ask questions from anywhere in the world, from CA final study material, CMA material, this, that. I don't have a problem. But I am not going to use these materials in the class. But I will be giving you. I will be using in the class SBR material. Under SBR material, I will be using in the class the SBR study text. Where is the new study text? This is the new study text. I will delete this old one. I will refer this in the class. अच्छा एक बार और, एक और भी study text है. SBR IFRS. This is exam kit I will be using in the class 22-23. This I will be using. And I will be using 22-23 this one. I will be deleting in front of you. I am deleting this. Better. Just once download if it is required later. Desktop. Download. Desktop. Now I am deleting this. Remove. And remove. I am removing this. So you are left with only SBR exam kit. This I am also downloading and then removing. The old materials I am removing. That is downloaded and now deleted, removed. So we are left with SBR exam kit, SBR study text. I will be referring in the class this only. The exam kit and study text, and my advice to all of you, whether you are SBR student, whether you are IFRS, whether you are CIMA, whether you are CPA, whatever, you refer these two materials only. Don't refer anything else. At the same time, suppose you can see, this is IFRS last batch. This is the last batch video list. That is on 14th March 2022. Today is 13th March 23. I started this batch. in which class, what I taught. The Google Drive will say you entire video list. Presently, this is not relevant because we are taking new classes, but I will add here one more video list for 2023 batch. So whatever I will teach in the class, that will be here. So if after 1 month, 2 months, you want to revise a particular topic, you just go here, you will be able to start that video straight away. You don't have to ask me or anybody. This will be uploaded every day once the class will be over. So materials I will be using which I am showing here. There is no other material with me which I am using in the class which is not given to you. But there are other materials also which you are downloading. When I will give the link, you will download all the materials. If you want to refer other materials, there is no problem. Why I have given? You can ask questions. But I will be using these two only in the class. And at the same time, I will be using this class slides, which you can say our short notes while discussing in the class, our short notes while teaching in the class. This is whatever written in Kaplan, BPP, anywhere, in social media, Google, anywhere, a short synopsis which will help you to complete the concept faster, and I will be referring most of the time this only. Those who have already done Surojit, Pratik, आप लोग क्लासेस AFM ये सब किए हैं, मेरे ख्याल से आपको सबसे ज्यादा फायदा इसी से होता होगा. क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस के लिए हम लोग रेफर करते हैं, लेकिन जो नोट्स मैं बना के देता हूं सबसे ज्यादा काम आता है कि ये नोट्स आपको एकदम बढ़िया से हेल्प करेगा. जो भी रीसेंट अमेंडमेंट्स है, कोई करंट इश्यूज मार्केट में आए, मैं सब कवर करूंगा. मे बी मटेरियल आपको मान लीजिए 1 साल पहले का है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इसके अंदर सब कुछ है. सो दिस इज द मोस्ट व्हाट यू कैन से बाइबल फॉर आवर क्लास. I will be referring this and the study text and exam kit and nothing else. You want to refer any other material, I don't have any issue. मैं वापस से Google Drive में नहीं जाऊंगा. मेरा अपना नोट्स यहां रेडी है. मेरे पास यहां अपना नोट्स रेडी है. I have downloaded everything. That is only uploaded in the drive और मैं यहीं से नोट्स यूज करता हूं. तो आप ये मत सोचिए कि आई एम यूजिंग सम अदर मटेरियल, माई पेज नंबर इज डिफरेंट, माइन इज 20, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग इन 20. Because the problem is that, 1 second, suppose SBR is study text. You see. Now, if I am suppose in SBR is study text, this is page 147 here. But on the top, the page is 175. Which page number I am using? I don't know, sir. 147 or 175. दोनों ही यार. मैं कौन सा चैप्टर कर रहा हूं? मान लीजिए सपोज दिस इज ए चैप्टर 5. What is the chapter? Risk. Study. This is sorry. This is SBR Kaplan study text. Okay. Suppose I am in chapter 7. Then what is the chapter? The chapter 7 is what? Foreign currency in individual. The chapter name and the index number is given here. The chapter name and index number is given here. Foreign currency 139. If you type 139 here, 139, it is not giving you that chapter. Because this 139 is not the book page 139. This is 115. And I'm talking about 139. There is a difference of 25 pages. So if I will do 165, then I will be able to get foreign exchange transactions. यहाँ मेरे को मिलेगा. अब आप ये तरह का डाउट भी रेस करोगे, सर आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वेयर. अरे मेरे पास कोई किताब ही नहीं है और आई डोंट हैव एनी अदर बुक विच आई एम यूजिंग इन द क्लास. वट एवर आई हैव गिवन ऑल टू ऑल ऑफ यू. लेकिन आप इस तरह का क्वेश्चन व्हाट्सएप में भेजकर बोलोगे आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड, मन में चोट लगती है, समझ में नहीं आता है कि यू आर ऑफ द एज ऑफ 35, 40 ईयर्स और मे बी 25 और आप बोल रहे हो ये नहीं है तो मैं बुक में पैदा किया हूं क्या. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. Don't raise illogical doubts. I am saying I will be using these books only, but these types of question you are raising, it is hurting. कि आपके पास कितना टाइम है बेकार का. You open the topic, maybe 1 or 2 pages here and there. It is that only. I will be opening these books for doing questions. Exam kit, study text. For explaining the concept, I will be using my notes only. You should be following that only. और आपको कहीं भी कोई क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, आपके प्रैक्टिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कोई क्वेश्चन है, कोई सीए फाइनल का बुक है, आप करिए ना, पूछिए ना, मैं कहां मना कर रहा हूं. यू ब्रिंग द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट आप पजल्ड मत होइए, पहले एक चीज को अच्छे से गेट द कॉन्सेप्ट, देन ट्राई क्वेश्चंस, अदरवाइज यू विल नॉट बी फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट, आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. द लास्ट थिंग, वी आर नॉट द बुक पब्लिशर. मैं कोई बुक वगैरह नहीं लिखता हूं. वट एवर आई एम राइटिंग फॉर टीचिंग इन द क्लास, इफ आई विल मेक अ बुक, then these notes are not sufficient. They are less. More examples, more thing explanation need to be given. तो अभी क्या होता है, those who are book publishers, suppose Kaplan, suppose BPP, suppose there are others also. UK courses में the publishers are from UK. US courses में the publishers are from USA. For CPA it is Becker, Wiley, there are many. In ACCA, the famous materials are Kaplan and BPP. I generally prefer Kaplan because मेरे को उनका थोड़ा लिखा हुआ ज्यादा easy लगता है. It is not so much detailed, to the point they are explaining, and वो चीज समझ में आ जाती है. थोड़ा अपना रिसर्च कर लेंगे. BPP is writing those things very detailed. Self study purpose, according to me, BPP is better. But for, you can say, if you are taking training classes for somebody, or you are having good sound knowledge, then in that case Kaplan will cover the things faster. Now, in the Kaplan there are so many types of materials they offer. Study text, exam kit, mock papers, one PowerPoint slides of the entire subject. There is one we say as short notes, so many things. And suppose they are developing new paper, then those new papers also they are uploading in the subscription list. There are many materials which are not available on PDF form. Only exam kit and study text is available PDF form. But the short notes, the mock papers and all that, those are not available in the PDF form. Those can be obtained by any student when they go for the subscription. कि आप अगर कापलान का मटेरियल सेपरेटली खरीदोगे, देन इन दैट केस आपको वो मिलेगा. वो कोई ट्यूशन प्रोवाइडर आपको, बिकॉज हम लोग को देते ही नहीं आपको देने के लिए. वी आर द कापलान पब्लिशर, मटेरियल परचेजर फॉर लास्ट 13-14 years. But those materials are not available to be given to anybody. Those materials will be available only when the student purchase their materials in their own way. That cannot be shared with any student by me. If we talk of US courses, suppose US CPA, every student purchase separate material. Becker or Wiley, those are two famous. If we talk of CMA US course, then the student purchase generally the material Wiley or Hawk. In the ACCA or CIMA, the students are generally not purchasing the materials because they are getting the materials from the tuition provider. Or maybe in the social media, if you are there in the groups, exam kit, study text, ऐसे भी मिल जाएगा आपको. लेकिन that exam kit and study text is not 360-degree module. There are so many things which they publish, which nobody can share with you, which you can only acquire on your own. Now, if you think that to pass the exam, Surajit wala case, then these materials are enough, not require any other material. But if you want to keep something for your whole life, you want to refer something more detailed, your purpose is pure concept, pure logic, pure knowledge, not the exam, then you should be purchasing those materials, Kaplan materials separately. That is my advice. There is no compulsion, materials I have given. But you will be getting so many things which I don't have, which you will be able to, PPT slides and all that, which will be helping you to better prepared, better logical. Now the Kaplan material are available on the website. If you go Kaplan website or the Indian partner, maybe Jam Books or maybe Sterling Book House, those are, they are selling their Kaplan publishing house, that they are selling the materials in India. Normally the study text, exam kit, and they are giving only those two things which are already there with you. That cost you around 3,500 or 3,000 approx. Since we have a 12-13 years relationship, so Kaplan is offering the books to us at I think around 1,900. I am getting at INR 1,900. When you add up GST in that 18%, then it comes to around 2,250. So we are charging from the student 2,299. Then once you pay, then in that case, those books can be purchased from the Kaplan, which is not PDF, which is based on login ID password, and that can be shared with you. So if anybody is interested, you should not be purchasing from the market. You should be paying the book cost only, including GST, which is 2299, so that you will be able to get. Normally, I think I don't remember exactly, because now I am taking the books in my own personal name. When the student are making payment for books, they are not paying to Saraf Academy. They are paying to Prakash Saraf HUF, where the limit is already less. So for that reason, the books cost is without GST. I am not paying GST. I am not collecting GST in Prakash Saraf HUF. Not Prakash Saraf HUF. So for that reason, I am taking money in that, so the cost is further lower. Earlier, 1 year back, I was taking in our Saraf Academy. Then with the GST, it was coming 2600. But then it has been reduced. I am always negotiating with them. They can reduce the prices so that the student can get the books at a better price. So if anybody is interested, you can go for that. I will share the detail after the class. If you are interested, you can pay. The books will be given to you after 3-4 days. Because once we will place the order, Kaplan takes 3-4 days to deliver the books, the ID and password, which we share with the students. So if anybody is interested, then they should be going for that. Personal, my advice, you should be going for books, because they will be covering so many things which I don't have. And if I will also become a publisher, not as a teacher, a tutor, then I will be also able to cover so many things in my notes. But since I am teaching already, those things I am not writing. They are covered in the books. That will be useful. And as we know, IFRS accounting is a never-ending process. So when you subscribe for that, you are getting so many things which will be helpful. But again, for passing the exam, scoring out of 100, 90, 95, these notes are enough. You don't have to take tension. It's your call whether you want to go for those books or not. You can connect and we will help you to buy those books at a lesser price. But there is no compulsion. But the CPA students, CMA students are bound to purchase books, because they will not be getting the mock papers on the institute website. They will be getting the mock papers from the publisher only. So they will be able to practice properly if they will purchase their books on their own name only. Nobody can provide them. So CPA, CMA, US courses में material students सब खरीदते ही हैं, everybody. But in UK courses, students are not purchasing books. They are getting from social media anywhere. They are not purchasing. They have the objective to pass the exam, which is possible with these materials only.